Hello everybody, Jose Rodriguez back again. Printers like the Pro 1000 that have both black matte ink and black glossy ink and do not use any kind of weird switch valve like some of the earlier Epson printers had to do, uh, can simply use both inks at the same time. How? How is that possible? When you run a nozzle check to check any issues that you may be experiencing, or if you just want to do that on a daily basis to keep your printer running free, and the most important aspect is to keep it from doing these pre-print cleaning cycles. If you wait more than 24 hours, it will do that for you, and it's really doing you a favor. That's what Canon says, because it is going to make sure that everything is working fine before it begins to print that beautiful image you spent so much time editing, and you bought some expensive paper. You want to make sure you don't waste a $5 sheet of paper because a few nozzles are not printing and you get banding as the result. So run that nozzle check daily. It is not the best way to exercise the printer, but at least it will kill that pre-print cleaning cycle that the printer is going to do. Even if you just don't print for a few days, it's going to do that, and it's going to probably waste either the same amount of ink it's going to take to produce that print or even more. And so then you got this waste use ratio that just doesn't make sense. It'll be like 5 to 2, and you don't want to end up wasting ink unnecessarily because it's expensive. It's very expensive, especially if you're just using OEM inks straight through. So keep that in mind. This is a shorty. Again, if you want to exercise your printer, print something, print a photograph, print a standard image, but only like a 4x6 daily or every other day. Do the nozzle check and then print something every other day, and that will make sure everything is working for you. So the next time you print that beautifully edited image on a great, fantastic looking piece of paper, it'll just begin printing for you without any kind of annoying waiting periods while it checks itself. It's going to do that anyway. It's got to check all the movable parts. But I'm talking about, agitation cycle, cleaning cycle, followed by a nozzle check. Oh gosh, that stays there for 20 minutes. Click each nozzle. Click as it's actually firing each nozzle into the waste ink sponge. And so, yeah, avoid that simply by doing the nozzle check. Just simply walk up to it, go to the screen and maintenance, and print that nozzle check. You can just flip the paper over and, you get 2 nozzle checks per paper. Unfortunately, a nozzle check or a perch image is nothing you really ain't going to end up framing anyway, but at least it keeps your printer happy, and when you actually print something important, it'll just begin printing straight away without wasting ink. And the ink that you actually use for those will never approach the amount of ink you waste on a cleaning cycle, believe me. So again, it makes absolute sense to do that daily. Okay, so that is it for now. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Click that little bell button. Happy printing, everyone. Bye bye.